Hi there, welcome to the channel. I'm Beatrice, and today's class is a gentle class for arthritis and joint pain and anyone who might be feeling stiff around the joints of your body. So when you're ready, come practice with me. For this class, you don't need any props, and we're starting by lying down on our back. Come to what's called constructive rest, so knees together, feet wide, and let your arms rest wherever feels good for you. Take some time to come to the body. Notice your neck, shoulders, elbows, wrists, all of your fingers. Spine, your hips, your knees, your ankles, and all of your toes. And start to bring your feet flat on the ground, heel toe them about in line with your hips. And invite that right knee into your chest. And you can hug, if you can, hug quite far down towards your ankle. Not quite on the ankle, a little bit higher, so that we can keep the rest of the leg still and just move through the ankle joint and maybe even through the toes. So you can spread your toes and scrunch them in. Take some gentle circles. There might be some cracking noise, like there is in my case. And then circle in the opposite direction. Now switch the hold to the back of your thigh. And here we're targeting the knee. So you don't have to hold at all. You can hold still the front and just simply straighten and bend the knee a few times. And as you can see, you don't have to go all the way straight. Then hold the knee and circle the hip. If you feel like you tip into the right, place the left foot on the outer edge as you do this. And then circle the other way. Place the foot down and come to the other side. Left knee to your chest. Hold around as close to your ankle as you can and take some circles. Spreading the toes, scrunching the toes, bringing some movement in through the joints. And around the other way. Come through center and either hold the top of your knee or the back of your thigh to bring a bit of movement in the knee joint. Come back to holding the knee and circle the hip, and maybe bring the right foot on the outer edge. Circle the other way. Bring your foot to center, both feet flat on the ground, and roll to one side gently so you can bring yourself up to seated. You can come to any comfortable seated position by all means. You can even do this part on a chair, sitting on a chair. So take your hands on your knees, take a breath in here and send the tailbone back as you lift forward, opening through the chest, rolling the shoulders down. As you breathe out, do the opposites around your back, upper back, down into the lower back, and then tuck your tailbone under. I'll show you from this side as well. Inhale from your tailbone up through the back into the chest. Exhale to round. Do this a few more times with your own breath. And come through center. And from here, simply take your right arm out. And if it feels good for your shoulder, then take your left arm up and over and see how that feels. Otherwise, you can keep your arm on your knee or the side. And take a breath in here. As you breathe out, round the left shoulder, wherever you are, whether you're up or whether you're down, and thread the arm underneath the right if it gets there. If it's a bit farther forward, it's fine as well. Inhale, reach up or to the side. And exhale to round and thread. Just one more time on this side. Inhale. And exhale. Come through to center and to the other side. Left arm out and the right arm can stay on your knee or to the side or come up. On your exhale, round and thread. Inhale to reach. Exhale to round. Last one on this side as well. Inhale and exhale. Come up through center, and on your next in breath, reach your shoulders up, up, up to the ears. Exhale, roll them down. Inhale, reach, reach, reach. Exhale, roll them down. Just one more time. Inhale. Exhale, roll down, and then let the chin come down to your chest. And come around side to side, ear to shoulder, ear to shoulder. Maybe circling the neck all the way around if that feels good for you. Again, maybe some cracking noises. And switch direction. Bring your head back to center. Bring your hands together, interlace your fingers and press the hands away from you. Just finding a little stretch through the fingers. So you might want to adjust the fingers for the stretch. You might not want to have them all the way together, but a little bit more open. Maybe you can feel a stretch with the forearms and the elbows. And come to relax. And you can hold around your forearm, again like the ankles, a bit closer to the wrists than towards the elbow. And take a bit of movement through the wrists, side to side. See how that feels. Maybe rotate, circle all around. And you can move through the fingers as well, open and close. Just anything that feels good, really. Spread your palm, maybe invite the palm in, and shake this arm. Come to the other side, same thing, hold a bit far down, and then maybe move side to side. If it feels good, all around your circle. Open the palm, take it in, and open and close the fingers. And shake. Come to any comfortable seated position. Maybe close off the eyes, perhaps look down if that makes you feel better. Notice how you're feeling. On your next inhale, raise your arms up to the ceiling, palms come together. And exhale down to the center of your chest. You can finish here or you can bow down and thank yourself for this time on the mat. Thank you so much for practicing with me today. I hope your joints feel a lot better or at least a little bit more lubricated, either for the rest of the day or perhaps to go to sleep. And please join me again for another video soon. And if you enjoyed this one, like, subscribe and share with your friends and family. Thank you.